beautiful. It barks. Now come inside. See how my cat is sleeping after lunch. Wow, look at the sheep. Sheep is in a pen and horses are in stable. You heard quack quack of duck. They are playing in the pond. Here are cows eating grass to give me tasty milk so that I become strong and healthy. I love all my farm animals. You enjoyed? Bye. Thank you.